Jesus never promoted ritualism. Rather, he practiced and asked his disciples to follow the spirituality. Ritualism. What is ritualism? I light a candle, I light a lamp, I kneel down, I raise my hands, and so many things we do. This is our ritualism. They are good, not bad. But our life should be governed not by ritualism but by the spirituality of Jesus. Spirituality of Jesus is of very high standard. It is contrary to the world's thinking and practices. In today's gospel reading, we heard Jesus said, "You have heard, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth." That was the practice in Judaism. You do good to me, I will do good to you. You do something evil to me, I will do evil to you. That was the practice. Jesus says, no, he takes us to a higher level. If someone does evil to you, you don't repay him by evil, you do good to him. Can we take today's gospel reading literally? If you take literally, Jesus himself did not practice that. Jesus says in today's reading, if somebody slaps you on one cheek, show him another cheek. But the same Jesus, in the court of Pilate, when he was slapped by a soldier, he challenged that soldier and said, "Why do you slap me? What have I done wrong?" Jesus showed him another cheek, no? He didn't do that. So, what is the meaning of this text which we heard today? That means, don't take revenge. If somebody uses your foul language, can you use the same language? No. Then you will stoop down to his or her level. Ignore him or her. That's what Jesus is trying to say. But if it is a repeated behavior of that person, surely you have to take action, legal action, whatever action which we are allowed to take, we can take. But we cannot stoop down to their level. It is difficult. The natural tendency is, if somebody curses us, to curse them. We as followers of Jesus, we cannot do that. If somebody curses us, let us bless them. By our blessing, what happens to them? We don't know. But by blessing them, by forgiving them, we become purer and purer internally. We will be peaceful. We will be saintly people. And this type of spirituality Jesus demands from us. Let us ask for this grace that we may follow the spirituality of Jesus and may become his true disciples.